Hi everyone, this is Michael from Computex. Today we are very happy to visit Automation Taipei 2022 and Nangang Exhibition Hall. This year, many of Computex exhibitors actually joined the event to demonstrate the latest technologies and products. And today, the first stop is KENMEC Mechanical Engineering. And we are very happy to have Jackson Chen, the director of KENMEC Mechanical Engineering, ready to demonstrate the latest trends and their technologies. Welcome, Mr. Jackson.
Hi, I'm Jackson. Welcome to KENMEC. KENMEC has been deeply engaged in Taiwan for 46 years. We provide customers the smart manufacturing logistics center turnkey solutions. Through the performance video and the cyber physical system, KENMEC shows the core competence in low unload, storage, and transportation. At the booth, KENMEC has arranged speakers to interact with our customers. We demonstrate ASRS, cold chain, AMR, cold air robot, and AR technology this year. ASRS is automatic storage and retrieval system, which utilizes advanced crane design and smart manufacturing system to achieve the goals of high quality, high efficiency, high intelligence, space saving, and labor saving. In terms of cold chain, we built the first set of automatic cold chain logistics center in Taiwan this year. The system operates in minus 25 degrees Celsius to greatly improve transportation and delivery. AMR is autonomous low wheel robots. We create anti-obstacle viewing system, real-time monitoring, freedom management, and lane navigation system for flexibility, intelligently, reliability, stability, and in time. We built two AMRs with 1.6 meter and 2.5 meter high. Customers are able to utilize smart robot picking system to order beverages. Meanwhile, the robot is designed with auto-align function to achieve random stacking, automatic pace generation at our cyber physical system platform. We demonstrate AR technology for assessing maintenance easily as well. Please feel free to contact KENMEC. We look forward to your best partner in smart manufacturing and logistics center turnkey solutions. Cheers!